Hi, my name is Ayomide. I'm a Jambite and I'm a proud Exquisite student. My journey with them since last year had been very, very fun. Learning was made so much easy, learning was made so much fun for me. Now they are available on all social media platforms. They are on YouTube, they're on Facebook, they're on WhatsApp, and they're on Telegram. They have classes online, they have free classes for 100 level students, nursing students, and science students. You can also get jam classes and post-UTME classes too. You can subscribe for their YouTube channel, Exquisite tutorials, and you can also get private classes and monthly paid classes too. Trust me, when you join this tutorial, you know learning is actually very, very, very fun. Thank you.
Good evening, guys. My name is Lilian, and I'm a 100 level student in the University of Benin. I want to tell you about Exquisite tutorials. It's actually the best, it's the best tutorial ever, and it's online too. You don't have to go to the venue or something. You can actually attend your classes at the comfort of your own room. Academically, it sounds like it's really cool. It has helped me a lot in the time passes. So I would really like for you guys to go check it out. Please, I promise you're not gonna regret it. Do so and thank me later.